and welcome to Sciprex. In today's video, we'll explore on Java Full Stack Developer. Firstly, short recap on what is Java Full Stack Developer. A Java developer is a software developer skilled in both front-end and back-end development using Java technologies. On the back-end, they work with Java, Spring Boot, and RESTful APIs. And on the front-end, they typically use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Angular. They also work with databases, e.g., MySQL, MongoDB, version control systems like Git, and may deploy applications using CI/CD tools and cloud platforms like AWS or Azure. Here are some formal and beginner-friendly Java full-stack developer interview questions and answers. Q1. What is Spring Boot and why is it used? Answer. Spring Boot is a framework that simplifies Java application development by providing auto-configuration, an embedded server, and minimal setup. It is used to build standalone, production-grade applications efficiently. Q2. How do you handle dependency injection in Spring? Answer. Dependency injection in Spring is handled using annotations like @autovoid or through constructor-based injection, allowing the framework to manage object creation and dependencies. Q3. What is the purpose of RESTful APIs? Answer. RESTful APIs enable communication between client and server using HTTP methods. They follow REST principles to ensure scalability, statelessness, and resource-based access. Q4. How do you secure a Spring Boot application? Answer. Security is implemented using Spring Security, JWT, for token-based authentication and role-based access control to protect endpoints. Q5. What front-end technologies are you proficient in? Answer. I am proficient in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React and Angular for building responsive and interactive user interfaces. Q6. How do you manage state in React? Answer. State is managed using React hooks such as useState for local state and useContext or Redux for global state management. Q7. What is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases? Answer. SQL databases use structured schemas and support relational data. NoSQL databases are schema-less and are better suited for unstructured or scalable data models. Q8. What tools do you use for version control and CI/CD? Answer. I use Git for version control and tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI for continuous integration and deployment. Q9. How does React differ from Angular? Answer. React is a library focused on the view layer with a virtual DOM, while Angular is a full-fledged framework with two-way data binding and a real DOM. Q10. What is the difference between a component, a service, and pawn repository? Answer. All are Spring stereotypes. At component, generic bean. At service, for business logic. At repository, for database operations with exception translation. And Q11. What are the main features of Spring Boot? Answer. Auto-configuration, embedded server support, minimal configuration, production-ready features like health checks, and easy setup of microservices. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Sciprex, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching Sciprex. Keep learning and stay inspired.